Ever dreamt of a Monopoly Go universe where you roll the dice onto separate adventures simultaneously? Stick around because we're diving into the strategies for managing multiple Monopoly Go accounts, all within 90 seconds. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand that playing Monopoly Go on multiple devices linked to the same Apple ID or Google Play Games account can lead to restrictions. Supercell, the developers, generally have terms of service that can frown upon practices that give an unfair advantage or circumvent their intended player experience, so proceed with awareness. The most common and straightforward method usually involves using separate devices. This means having one account on your primary phone and another on a tablet, or perhaps a secondary smartphone. Ensure each device is logged into a different Apple ID or Google Play Games account to keep your Monopoly Go profiles distinct. If you're attempting this on a single device, it becomes a bit trickier and often relies on what's called parallel space or app cloning features present on some Android devices. These allow you to create an isolated environment for a second instance of an app. However, compatibility can vary, and this method might not always be stable or officially supported. What's the appeal? Well, it's about resource management and diverse gameplay. You can use a secondary account to send yourself crucial shields, trade away duplicate stickers without impacting your main progress, or simply explore different building strategies on a fresh board. It's like having a personal bank and a separate game room rolled into one. Remember, the key is to maintain clean separation. Use distinct email addresses for any associated game accounts if prompted, and always ensure you're not violating the game's terms of service. This approach is primarily for personal use and exploration, not for any form of competitive advantage that could jeopardize your accounts. So there you have it. Why Euro, a quick guide to potentially navigating the world of multiple Monopoly Go accounts. Happy rolling!